I've just leaving my last video. I'm just doing editing it, just saving it and loading it up to YouTube in a minute. And I've just come outside and there's a supernatural noise again, but this time in the north. You can hear it. And it's dark. That's the my light's on, but that's the west. That's towards the Kingdom Hall, Birchwood, and that is toward the south. And there's a little bit of light there. There's no city lights. The lights go out, look, around Birchwood. But this is what it looks like in the south. Look at that light sky. That's weird. It's done this before. Look, it's dark over there, north. And then for some reason, the clouds have got a light colour to them. What's that about? Obviously supernatural again. There's no lights over there. Look, it's above my house. There's no lights on. That's the street lamp there, look. Where's that light coming from? There's no moon. I can definitely hear a noise. It's not very loud now. Hang on, I'll check the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. No noise there. It's coming from there. It's in the north. Now I can hear a ringing noise. You hear it? What was that? That wasn't an animal. That was a hooting sound. That was a bit supernatural. You heard it for yourself. I didn't make that up. I can hear a hum. Look, that's the east. The clouds have definitely got a light to them. Hear that humming? That noise? Wow, that is supernatural. There's nothing over the North Icombe congregation this time, like in my other videos. That's the south. That's got a bit of light to it. I say there's no city near here. All the lights go out on Birchwood, 12 o'clock, except that one there, because that's near some homes, alleyway. Now the noise is coming from that direction, north. What the flipping heck's that? It's a ringing sound. Hey up, is that coming from Birchwood now? Kingdom Hall? Yeah. Let me get up on the wall. There we go. Northwest. It's coming from north, northwest, That's the star above my head. I don't know what that is. My God, that's getting loud. You need to go and watch my last video. I've just got to upload it in a bit. About the supernatural app Star Walk 2. Hey up. Did you hear that again, hooting? That wasn't an owl. That's giving me the spooks. I feel a bit shivering up my spine. Jehovah's really pulling it out of the bag now. That's loud. There is the A46. There, but not this time of night. It's gone 12, hasn't it? It's about 1 o'clock in the morning, I think. Pitch black over there. Yet in the south there's kind of a fluorescent light on the clouds. Don't know why that is. There's no street lamps on here. Is it behind me now? Oh my God. Yeah. It's in the front of my house. It's in between the gap between 15 and 13. Nada's house. This is changing all the time. This. Oh, you beauty. And people think I have a mental illness when I've got this evidence on YouTube. More's going up. I wish it'd get louder, Jehovah. Just something. I pray. I'm not sure what that red light is. Can't see any lights there. What is that? It's like in the trees. Is that supernatural as well? Wouldn't surprise me. What's that, Jehovah? I think that's all we're going to get now. I'll have a cup of tea and load up my videos. Bye for now.